guys, it's me, Sandy Rogers. Thank you for being with me today, day 24. And I'm a little tired right now because I went and worked in my garden for a little while this morning. And garden work, oh man, that's the best form of exercise because you got your fingers down in the soil and you're connecting with the earth. I tell you, there's nothing like it. And then afterwards, I went and helped a friend who's also a business owner that's having a an event tomorrow evening, and so I went over and cleaned walls and baseboards and windows and corners and washed dishes and set things up, and I expended a lot of energy. And so right now, I think I'm going to just take it easy for the rest of the day and just get my rest on. That's what I'm feeling like, right? So I'm good with doing it that way because how does that saying go? A friend in need is a friend indeed. So I showed up and showed out because look, like I've been telling you about this energy that's uh, centered in completion. So once I got started with cleaning, it was like I couldn't stop, right? I mean, I had to make sure all the baseboards and the door casings and everything was cleaned. And so I'm sure she appreciates the energy that I brought in there today. It looked very good when I left out, so I was real proud of myself. But this energy that has me not half stepping is most appreciated because I put that same dedication, that same oomph in everything that I'm doing. So let's see what can I report to you today as far as the urine fast specifically. No bowel movement this morning. Urine was nice and clear, and so I've had 2 pints so far today, and it's early afternoon. I am knowing that I will be urinating several more times before the day is up. So, good normal day. Nothing tremendous or too far out of the ordinary. I'm going to use this energy. I've got one more project that I'm working on for myself that I want to put this incredible energy into. But I may do that today and I may wait until tomorrow. Right now, I'm feeling like I need to stop for a while. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to chill out for as long as I can, and then if I'll move to do something differently, I will. But for right now, I'm about to chill. I love you. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I certainly appreciate each and every one of you. And keep the comments coming on YouTube. I'm loving that. The energy, and you guys are talking between yourselves, and it's really cool. I appreciate you. I love you. See you tomorrow.